back to my channel Good Food. It's summertime now and there is nothing more refreshing than delicious sweet lassi to beat this summer. Since mangoes are already in season, so today I will show you how to prepare mango lassi. Mango lassi, no doubt, is much better option than cold drinks, and with just few ingredients, you can make it in minutes. So let's note the ingredients. Now in a blender, add the mangoes, yogurt, sugar, cardamom powder, saffron water. I am using saffron here for additional flavor, and ice cubes. Now blend until everything is well combined and you get a smooth texture. Your lassi is ready now. Garnish with dry fruits before serving. Isn't it easy? So try this delicious drink during this summer and let us know your feedback. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the recipe, don't forget to share, like and subscribe.